In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Kling AI videos. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to find your projects, and how to export your video with or without audio, plus how to grab the audio track alone as an MP3 or WAV file. First, open your browser and head to the Kling AI app. You can search for Kling AI or go directly to the app site. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your workspace. A modern browser like Chrome or Edge works best, and a stable internet connection helps avoid stalled downloads. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Assets. This is where Kling AI keeps your generated media and project files. If you're brand new and don't see anything yet, create a video first and let it finish processing. The download options only appear once a video has been generated and is visible in your assets. Next, find and click on your project. You'll usually see a grid of thumbnails. Each thumbnail represents a piece of content you've made. If you have multiple versions, previews, or takes, pick the one you want to export. Opening the project gives you a larger preview and the controls you need to download it. Now move your cursor to the top right corner of the project view and hover over the download button. It typically looks like a downward arrow or a similar export icon. Hovering reveals your choices. If you want the complete video with its soundtrack, choose Download with Audio. If you're planning to add music later in an editor or you just need the visuals, select Download without audio. You can also export just the audio track. For audio only, you'll see options for MP3 or WAV. MP3 gives you a smaller file that's great for quick sharing and most editing workflows. WAV is uncompressed, higher quality, and better for professional sound design or when you want the cleanest source, though it takes up more space. After you select your preferred option, the file will begin downloading to your default downloads folder. If your browser asks where to save it, pick a location you'll remember and consider renaming the file to keep your projects organized. If hovering doesn't show the menu, try clicking the download icon directly. Also, temporarily disable any aggressive pop-up or script blockers if you don't see the file start. That's it. Open the file to confirm playback, check that the audio is present or absent as intended, and you're ready to use your Kling AI export in your editor, presentation, or social post. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new downloads.